Making wine is both an art and a craft, and that's what we're going to cover in these lessons. First, we're going to start with the basic process for making any wine. The process is always the same. You're going to take whatever it is you're making the wine out of. You are going to do a primary fermentation with it by adding certain nutrients and other ingredients to it. You're going to add your yeast, do your primary fermentation. Then you're going to do several rackings, bottle the wine, label it, let it sit on the shelf for a couple of months, and drink and enjoy. We're going to start with a juice wine. We can make wine out of any type of juice that you can find. You also can make wine out of tea. Any of your favorite herbal teas are great for making wine. We're going to show you how to use fresh fruits or frozen fruits with your wine, and we're going to show you two different processes. One is where you take your fruit, put it in the primary fermenter, let it do its first fermenting, and then go on with the racking. Or we're going to show you how we like to crush and press the fruit so that all we're using in primary fermentation is the actual juice from the fruit. Our next lesson is going to be on vegetables. We have made carrot wine several times, and all our friends agree it is one of the best wine they ever tasted. And finally, we're going to look at something you may not have thought of. We're going to make wine out of flowers, dandelions. Wonderful wine. The other thing we're going to look at is how to tell your alcohol content. There are two different ways. Most people use the hydrometer, and we're going to show you how to use and read the hydrometer. But once you get experienced with winemaking, you're probably going to want to move to a refractor. And so in one of our lessons, we're going to show you how to use a refractor. And everything you need to know is in this handout. So click the link below to sign up.